Every Zinger burger begins far from the fryer in Cleedle, at carefully controlled Halal poultry farms.
Balanced feed, clean water, and constant monitoring shape quality from day one.
Only healthy, approved birds move forward in the process.
At the same time, wheat for soft burger buns is harvested from open fields.
Fresh vegetables bring balance to the crunch and spice.
The heat of a Zinger starts with carefully sourced spices.
Each ingredient begins its journey toward a single destination. From fields and farms, the Zinger journey moves into the factory. Temperature control protects quality long before processing begins. Every degree matters on the road to consistency.
As landscapes change, the destination comes into view.
Strict access marks the threshold of food-grade production.
Every load is measured, logged, and verified.
Precision continues even at the point of arrival.
The ingredients now enter the controlled heart of the factory.
Behind these walls, speed and precision replace the chaos of the outside world. Entry begins with controlled transfer into sealed systems. Clean zones protect every ingredient that passes through. From this point on, every batch is tracked without exception. The raw ingredients now meet industrial discipline. Flavor begins in controlled motion. Heat, salt, and aromatics are measured to the gram. Time and pressure drive flavor deep into the meat. The base is set. Texture remains intact. A dry layer prepares the surface for crunch.
This is where crunch is born.
Signature Zinger coating locks into place. Now, the coating is ready for heat. This is where preparation turns into transformation.
Precise temperature triggers instant crust formation.
Clean oil protects flavor and consistency.
Crunch is now locked in.
Excess oil leaves, texture remains. This texture is no accident. Here, machines replace hands without losing control. Hands correct what machines can't feel. The base of every burger is handled with care.
Flavor balance still depends on human control.
This moment defines the Zinger.
Freshness is layered, not automated. Freshness is layered, not automated.
Every burger is finished by touch.
Now, the journey nears completion. The journey enters its final form.
Each order is sealed with consistency.
From factory floor to food counter.
This is where machines hand over to moments.
The process becomes a choice.
Crunch, heat, and balance broly. Ready!
What began as raw ingredients becomes satisfaction.
This is the moment everything was built for.
And this is how modern factories produce a Zinger burger queso. From